All right, next up is Carlos with Immaculate Collection. Good luck, good luck. Personal box. Let's roll. All right. Let's see what we got here. 42 of 80 is Donovan Mitchell. Base. Number 3 of 10, we have a dual jersey of Bruno Fernando and Kevin Huerter, Maryland Terrapins. The logo, West Virginia Mountaineer, 1 of 5, Emerald Signatures, Jerry West. Jerry West. Jordan Bone, Rookie Signatures, number 299, Tennessee Volunteers. Numbered 13 of 99. Rookie patch autograph, Tyler Hero. Kentucky Wildcats. '86 of 99. Rookie patch autograph. Oh, nice. DeAndre Hunter. Virginia Cavaliers. And right behind that, doubling up on the DeAndre Hunter. Premium rookie patch autograph, 9 of 49. Wahoo wah. All right. Carlos, I appreciate it, man. Solid box. I will get it all packed up.